Hi y'all, and welcome back to Channel Southern Kitchen. Today we will be making a delicious Zuppa Toscana soup. If you love Olive Garden Zuppa Toscana soup, this is definitely one you should add to your rotation of soups. And who needs Olive Garden when you can make this delicious soup right at home? So grab your apron and come on in the kitchen and let's get started. And here you will add 1 pound of your favorite breakfast sausage. And get that sauteed up. And here I'm adding a little olive oil to keep it from sticking to the bottom of my pot. Feel free to do the same. And we're just going to continue sauteing that up until you get that brown and fully cooked. And now we're adding 8 ounces of our bell peppers. And go ahead and get that cooked in as well. And here I'm adding in 1 medium onion that I have chopped very well. And get that stirred in as well. And here I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. That garlic gives your soup flavor, so please don't skip this. And now we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon. Now get that stirred in. And now we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, 1 teaspoon of Italian season, and a half teaspoon of red pepper flakes. And we're going to get that stirred in as well. And here I'm adding in 4 cups of water. 1/4 cup of cooked chopped bacon. And here I'm adding in a half a tablespoon of dry parsley and get that stirred in. And here I'm adding in 1 10-ounce can of cream of chicken with herbs. This will give your soup tremendous flavor. Don't skip it. And then here I'm adding in 4 large russet potatoes that I have chopped up. And here I'm adding in 2 dry bay leaves that will give your soup tremendous flavor as well. You may skip this, but I would definitely not recommend it. And we're going to let those potatoes cook until they become tender. Just continue to stir. You check on them, make sure they're not sticking to the bottom of your pot, like I am here. And as your soup cooks, your soup may reduce, but feel free to add more water to your soup like I did. And remember, if you do adjust the water, to adjust your season to taste as well. Here I added an additional 2 cups of water. And here I'm adding 4 to 5 cups of roughly chopped kale that has been cleaned and washed. It looks like a lot, but it will gradually wilt down. So add as much as you like, for your flavor and your texture. And you're going to get this added around when your potatoes are almost done, but not quite, because it doesn't take long for this kale to wilt and to cook down a little bit into your soup. As you can see, the kale has cooked down a whole lot and you got a delicious looking pot of soup here. Just get that stirred in, just a few more minutes and you'll be ready to add that heavy whipping cream. And here we go, we're adding in 1 cup of heavy cream and we're gonna go ahead and get that burner turned off. And this is gonna make your soup so delicious and creamy, you guys. Do not skip this step. Do not skip this step. This is gonna make your soup creamy, luscious, delicious, whatever you wanna call it. Don't skip it. It's recommended and I promise you will love it. Remember to like, subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. And remember to share with your family and friends. Thank you guys for coming to visit me again and have a wonderful day. God bless.